Reviews best motorcycles for beginners. KTM 125 Duke. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the KTM 125 Duke. This versatile and beginner-friendly motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The KTM 125 Duke is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a peppy performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the 125 Duke is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the 125 Duke offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 125 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic and tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The 125 Duke has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The 125 Duke is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable urban motorcycle. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the KTM 125 Duke stands out for its performance and handling. Its powerful engine and sharp handling make it a great choice for riders who want a more exciting riding experience. Expert reviews. The 125 Duke has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The 125 Duke is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The KTM 125 Duke is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the 125 Duke is definitely worth considering.